What's going on, guys? And today we are looking on a 2010 Jeep Patriot. Currently have the problem with the check engine light, which is the code for P2004, which is intake manifold. In a perfect case scenario, you got to replace the whole manifold because the air valves are stuck open, and basically this is the problem. So the suggestion for the problem: replace whole manifold, but there is a cheaper way. Place the actual actuator motor, which is sitting right on the side of the actual intake, which is near the battery. I'll show you in a second how does it look. Let's open the hood. As you can see, the check engine light in there. RPM just got pretty high. Top panel got 4 knobs at the corners, so just pop it up and remove the actual plastic cover from the battery. So as I can see, the actuator motor is sitting right over there. Yeah, we got a couple sensors. First one, it's gonna be, I believe it's a muff sensor, away from the connector, and then press the little clamp here, and you're gonna remove the actual connection. So the next step gonna be removing clamp. So next step, I remove the airbox. Also we have that little pipe here, which is connected directly to the airbox, which is really easy to unplug from the airbox. And an airbox sitting on a piece of rubbers like this, they just pop in, 3 of them right here. So we got 3 screws. Kind of hard to see it, but if you can, there is a red connector, the same one as was on muff sensor, and then basically little clamp, and you gotta press it and pull it. So as you can see, simply did remove the actual connector. Also, the one of the screws here is 8 mil. The two, one of the top one and one of the bottom one, is 10 mil. So be prepared to have 8 and 10 mil screws in there. The whole job took me roughly like 15 minutes, but I still gotta reassemble everything. I believe the harness is not necessarily to remove. Place it on a spot, just pop all those things in there, and then one housing at the back, harness already connected, and of course type it up the actual clamp. And we're ready to start the engine. Key in ignition. Start the engine. Check engine light. So I will mess with that a little bit and we'll share with you the end result. We're reading the data, intake cam actuators and intake cam, so which is kind of motor. So if I'm gonna press the gas pedal a little bit, we got our number changed. So basically everything working, everything kind of fine. And it was kind of really simple steps how to fix that kind of issue. So if everything is okay, means you just replace the motor, reset the computer, because the actual message is gonna stay in there for in memory. But otherwise, we all set. So if you like the video, please put the thumbs up button there, subscribe my channel, and leave me a comment below. I'll see you next one.